Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to go ahead and introduce about the newest products on my right hand. For this one, the two layer shelvings. And this one you can put on maybe the prep tables or sinks or any prep working like a sandwich prep tables. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. This unit is entirely about like a 70 and 1/4 inches. And the height of the unit is about like a 47.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 15 inches. Between the two layers will be 11 inches. And we can see the front, we're having the 1, 2, 3, the mount holes at the bottoms. You can secure the legs with any equipment you want to mount on it. So this will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.